Indigo has reportedly completed mandatory replacement of Pratt & Whitney engines with modified engines in Airbus A320neo planes it operates before the August 31, 2020 deadline set by Directorate General of Civil Aviation. Indigo has 106 such A320neo aircraft fitted with PW engines in its fleet. The market for coronavirus vaccine in India could potentially be $6 billion in terms of sales for the coming 3 years. The public exchequer is expected to pay only about $2 billion to immunize just half the number of people needed to reach herd immunity levels, a global brokerage said. The report further adds that only 30% of the country's approximately 1.3 billion population would be immunized by the government with 2 doses. The remaining population will purchase the doses from the private market, it added. China's foreign ministry spokesman has warned the United States authorities that Chinese consumers could ban or boycott iPhone's Apple products if WeChat is banned in the US. The statement comes after the US President Donald Trump announced a ban from next month for TikTok and WeChat, accusing them of threatening national security. Coca-Cola Company on August 28 said it would nearly halve its operating units and offer voluntary separation to 4,000 workers, including in the United States, as the world's largest beverage maker battles a hit to sales from the COVID-19 pandemic. The voluntary separation packages would also be offered to employees in Canada and Puerto Rico. The company will also cut jobs but did not provide details on the total planned workforce reduction. The government has kicked off mega overhaul of GST laws to decriminalize various offences. The move is set to bring cheer to the industry, which has been complaining of harassment by tax authorities. Directorate General of Goods and Services Tax has written to some of the industry bodies seeking their inputs on decriminalization of certain offences. Silicon Valley entrepreneur Elon Musk's net worth topped $100 billion on Friday, according to the Forbes Real-Time Billionaires list, as the shares of electric car maker Tesla Inc. saw a more than 5-fold surge in value this year. A large chunk of his wealth comes from the 21% stake in Tesla, according to Forbes. Tesla shares, which went public at $17 a piece in 2010, rose as much as 3.5%.